Hi guys, so we are going to make a structure design. So we're going to make a structure design. So I want to teach you how to make a structure design, and we are going to be making use of this fabric. So I am going to fold this particular material like this on a fold of one like this. I'm going to teach you one, and I will show you the other that one that I just made. Where is my scissors? Oh, where is my scissors now? So I went to buy new scissors. This is a new scissors. I thought the carton downstairs. You can imagine. This is 1,000 naira, another expenses. And I'm sure that scissors is looking at me now. That scissors is looking at me now. And I've gone to buy new one. Let's continue, sir. So I am going to use, because we're going to be making use of this. We have crinoline of 2.5 inches. Okay. So this is 2.5 inches, and we're going to be making use of 3.5 inches for this. So we already have a line of 3.5 inches. So we're going to use this line cut to cut all through. Okay, so guys, we'll be making use of this line, and that is it. So I'll go ahead now and stitch this whole line. I don't like this scissors. Something is holding it. So I'll go ahead now and I'll stitch this whole line. Then I will turn it, okay, and this one apart, opening this one, this crinoline, opening this crinoline. Of course, this is a structure that we're going to make, a crinoline structure. So I'll be having 3 of these. Okay, I will just check out the length, 1/2 inch or 1 inch apart. So I'll be cutting this place, and I'll use this one to cut out another one. Let me use this to hold it. Three of it will make a good structure. One is even longer than the other one. So we have 3 crinoline structure. So I'll go ahead now and pin them up. So I'm going to sew here, here, and here, and here like this. Then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Then I'll attach it here. After I'm done joining these two sides, then I'll unfold it and I'll come back and show you what we're going to do with it. So guys, I am done ironing and joining. This is what we have now. I also ironed it after we're done joining the two sides, and this is what we have for the clean line. These are the 3 clean lines, well stitched and ironed. So I am going to insert this clean line inside this. So it's inside now. It stopped here and it stopped here. So we're going to close this part this way, and I'm going to close the other side this way. So you can give it whatever structure you want. If it's this structure, you can give it this structure. I will show you the structures you can make with this particular crinoline. Okay, so this is how to make a crinoline design structure. Okay, you can give this structure to your dress. You can give this structure if you want to give it this structure. You can. There are so many designs I made to. This one is a structure that I'm going to add on a dress. I can show you the structures I made out of this. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll show you the structures you can make with crinolines. Okay, so this is a very short tutorial, and I hope you will understand this video. Okay, see you. Bye.